Your Xapo Bank membership includes physical and virtual cards that you can use around the world with no foreign fees, all while earning cash back on your spending in Bitcoin. You can choose which type of card you'd like to use at any time. You can access your virtual card and order your physical cards right from the app. Your PVC card is a versatile card that's accepted worldwide, or you can order a signature metal card with a premium design. You'll just need to confirm your mailing address and the name you'd like to have on your card, and then set up a secure PIN number for your card. And that's it. Your card is on the way. You'll be able to track it in the app once it ships. While you are waiting for your card to arrive, you can review your card settings. You can see your spending limits and choose the security features you'd like to have for your card. Once you receive your physical card in the mail, tap Activate in the app. Enter the last 4 digits of your card number, and your card is now ready to use. You can now make purchases from billions of merchants around the world with no foreign exchange fees, and withdraw up to $100 every month at an ATM, free of charge, no matter where you are in the world. When you use either your physical or virtual card, you'll also earn up to 1% in cash back on your spending, paid out to you in Bitcoin. Adjust your settings in the app to control how and where your card is used. You can change your PIN or freeze and unfreeze your card with just a few taps. When you use your card, you can choose if you'd like to draw on the balance in your Bitcoin or US dollar account by default. You can change these withdrawal settings at any time. Since we don't charge foreign exchange fees, be sure to choose to pay or withdraw in the local currency to save on fees. For added security, always insert your card and enter your PIN instead of swiping when this option is available. You also have access to a virtual card in the app that you can use to keep all your online payments secure. Just tap to instantly create a new virtual card number anytime you want to make an online purchase. Activate up to 5 virtual cards at once, so you can set up dedicated cards for different subscriptions, or to better organize your online spending. If you are buying something from an online shop for the first time, you can generate a new virtual card number to protect your data and avoid having to replace a compromised card. Our dedicated support team is here to help. Just get in touch. We are happy to answer any questions you have about your Xapo Bank card.